What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing how to generate a Airtable image from an attachment or for an attachment field in Airtable using AI, using just their native features, native automation. So in order to have this, you have to have AI turned on in your account. You have to enable AI. You also have to enable AI Labs as of right now, which is in the admin panel. But try to sign up for that. If you have access, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. I'm going to be building a deck of cards here in Airtable, themed for the Airtable Flagship event next week. So I'm just going to get started. So the way that you do this is, in this case, I have a checkbox to click generate card. I'm going to clear all of those out. And then I have an attachment field. Really, that's all you need. And then you also ideally need something to kind of build your prompt around. So in my case, I want to build a card that references like this suit and this number, or this like value of the suit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the automations. So you should already have a base. You should already have a table if you're starting here. But then you can go into the automations. You can click in the bottom left plus new automation. And this is going to be generate card. You click add trigger. When record matches conditions, select your table. In my case, it is the deck table. The field, you want to pick that checkbox field that you probably just created. And then you click the checkbox. So when that checkbox is checked, I want to generate a new card. In my case, because I want to be able to easily use it and easily create new cards as well, I also want to say that the attachment field is empty. And that way, if I don't like a card, I'll just delete it and it's automatically going to create a new one for me. And then what you want to do is you want to click generate image with AI. This is right now only in AI Labs. So you want to make sure you have that turned on. That way you have access to this. And here, what you want to do is you want to give it a prompt. So in my case, I want to generate a card like in a deck of cards for this card. And then you can either use the curly braces and it'll automatically open up this little window, or like a open curly brace, or you can click this little plus button here and you can choose the field that you want to bring in. So my field is the card ID. And then you can give it more context. So I want to say, make it themed like the card, like in a deck of cards. This is going to be a really messy prompt, but I'm just going to say for the, make it themed like Airtable AI, and make it for the Airtable Flagship event in LA. So then you need to select a table. So I want this to go update my deck table. Here you want to select the record ID. So for record ID, you want to click this little blue plus, and then here it should have this highlighted, and you want to select Airtable record ID right here. Output attachment fields, you want to select the attachment field that you want. So I'm going to select the attachment field, and then you can turn it on. So you could be as creative as you want with your prompt. It's going to make it maybe a more creative image. If you want to give it more direction, like you want specific hex codes or different ratios, you could try manipulating this to like just keep tweaking it to make it exactly what you want. But let's go try it out. So I'm going to just go check this on a few of these and see what this gives us. So it does take it a little bit. I'd say maybe give it a minute or so, give it 45 seconds or so to create this. Sweet. So it just started creating these, and let's see what they look like. Okay, so it does look good. However, I think I want it to be a little bit more custom. I'm going for a little bit more custom of a look. So I want to give it maybe some more prompting to say, like give it some iconography from the area. So let's go back into the automation. So let's go back into the automation, and here, give it LA iconography. Let's Let's go back in here. Let's click generate on some more of these. And these ones, because I don't like them, I can just click delete, and it should also rerun on those ones as well. So again, give it some more time, and it's going to go create new ones for you. It's going to go figure out, okay, now with that new prompt, you would have went back into that automation, update your prompt, then click update. If you want to see what's the progress on these, you can see all of these are still in progress right here. And then it's going to generate us an attachment. Okay, this is great. So it has Hollywood, Flagship. I think this is perfect. So I'm just going to have it go run on all of these. And as it's doing that, I'm going to walk you through how I kind of do some QA if you have a lot of these that you want to generate all at once. So this one's pretty cool. Typically, I just look to see, most of the time recently has not been having any misspellings. So it's actually been very great. This one is good. If there's ever like any images that you don't want in it, I again just would delete those. Like maybe I don't like the robot face in this one, so I'll just hit delete, and then it's going to go regenerate that one for me. If I look at this one and maybe you didn't like this, you could go delete that. But I think everything else in these are good. This one, I think that's great as well. This one, again, if you don't like the robot face so much, you could maybe even, if you see a similar theme that it keeps adding things, you could say, I want it to say Airtable AI, but I don't want a robot. Just go tweak your prompt. This one's cool. It has a car in it. Sweet. So this is how you create images using Airtable AI. If you need any help with this, or you want to see a lot more AI use cases, feel free to book a call with me or somebody on the team to check this out and see there's a lot more Airtable AI use cases. You can see like create AI fields. You can actually create AI fields that summarize text or do a lot of other things. So what I'm showing in the next video is actually building, this app is a poker player. You of course need a deck to do that. But what I'm going to be building next is how to kind of, once you have a hand in poker, how do you know how good your hand is? So I'm going to be using Airtable AI to surface insights on that. So if you want to check that video out, it's here in the end screen. If you need any help with anything Airtable AI, check out the link in the description, book a call with me or somebody on the team. Thank you.